Hello my fellow TikTokers. So today's question is going to be for the people who wear mascara, and even if you don't, maybe you can answer this question as well. Why do women, men, or whoever, when they put on mascara, why do they open their mouth? Think about it. Yeah. I mean, we do that, don't we? When we put on mascara. But you can open your eyes just as easily without opening, but your instinct is you want to open your mouth. So what do you think? Let me know. Well, good afternoon, my fellow TikTokers. Today's question is going to be, is it better to be respected or to be liked? What do you think? Which is better, to be respected or to be liked? Something to think about, right? But then again, most of these questions are thought questions. Hope you participate. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so today's question, I am loading this early because I have to go have some tests done, and so I might as well kill some time, right? So anyway, okay, so this is kind of a serious question, and I've asked myself this question for many years. So it's a requirement in our state, in the state of Tennessee, that you have to wear your seatbelt or you'll get a ticket. So explain to me this. Why are there not seatbelts on a school bus to protect our kids? Seatbelts. Did I say seats? I meant seatbelts. Seatbelts. There's no seatbelts. There are seatbelts on an airplane to protect everybody, right? So there's seatbelts on an airplane. Why are there no seatbelts on a school bus? Now, if you're a school bus driver, please let me know. I've been curious about this for many years. To protect our kids, why don't they have seatbelts? I just don't get it. Hello, my fellow TikTokers. It is Friday, but that doesn't matter because the questions are going to be different every day, right? Right. Okay, so wicked filter. Check out my eyes. Sorry, that's so not me. Okay, so today's question is, what is self-esteem? And where does it come from? It's a pretty deep question, right? What is self-esteem and where does it come from? Let me know in the comments. Duet, stitch, yeah. All right, my fellow TikTokers, today's question is a thoughtful one. Is it better to play a game and lose, or cheat, play a bad game and win? All right, tell me your thoughts.